I would definitely recommend CCX Roofing. My name is Nicole, and part of the reason that we fell in love with our home and bought it was because of the shakes on the roof. And we just had to have our roof replaced because of a horrible windstorm that happened over Labor Day weekend. It blew quite a few shingles off of the roof, and they were all over the lawn, and we were devastated. We thought that we would never be able to replace the look of the shingles that we had. So I called our insurance company. He gave us the name of Cody Klinger, and we called him, and we were grateful for that referral because Cody made the whole process of getting a new roof unbelievably easy. I didn't know that there was a process of filing claims, of doing the insurance paperwork, of doing any of those things. All we did was call Cody. He came and examined the roof, the damage, what needed to be replaced, and he took care of all of that. This was during the holidays, mind you, so they were up there in the cold, and they did a great job, and we were just so happy with the work that they did, the job they did, and we love the color of the roof and how it turned out. We're very pleased with it.